If you want to save your accumulated capacity and you are not planning to use your phone for some time, so turning it off may be a very good option. So watch this video and watch it till the end, because in the end I'll give you a very valuable tip. So this method may be wearable, it varies from the phone to phone, but the whole idea is gonna be the same. So you'll have to locate your power button and your volume up or volume down buttons. So try both of those combinations and decide which one is working for you. For my phone, I'm using a Xiaomi. We are to press power button and volume up button. On Samsungs and vice versa, you have to use power button and volume down button. So here we are. Let me do this again. Summon your power off menu. After that, we gotta swipe up or press on Google Pixel, for example, to power off. And basically that is it. Now our phone is powered off. And here is a valuable tip. So if you want to save up some battery, but you don't want to turn off your phone, here's a way out. Simply use your flight mode. It will turn off all the unnecessary connections, such as GPS connection, location, your mobile internet, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and it will save up a lot of battery. And basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.